We're a group of
locals,
Locales, gente local,
expats, and digital nomads. Woo! And we're here in Javea in the beautiful Huerta community garden. And together we want to grow a tiny forest. Come help us.
Queremos construir un bosque todos juntos.
Forest is a small green space designed to mimic the structure and function of a natural forest ecosystem. And by planting a range of trees, plants and shrubs, it's a sustainable and effective way to quickly renature environments, which contribute to making areas more livable and resilient to climate change.
Tiny forests have a load of benefits.
Los microbosques tienen un montón de beneficios.
They improve the soil quality.
Mejoran la calidad del suelo,
They support biodiversity.
apoyan la biodiversidad,
They create a habitat for wildlife.
crean un hábitat para la flora y fauna salvaje,
They help absorb carbon dioxide.
apoyan a absorber el carbono. Oh shit! Carbo.
It's alright, keep
I
going.
said monoxide last time, so dioxide.
Dióxido de carbono.
And for the community, they help improve the air quality.
Y para la comunidad apoya a mejorar la calidad del aire.
They provide areas of shade,
También nos crean sombras,
opportunities for education,
oportunidades para aprender
a space to enjoy and relax,
y espacios donde podemos disfrutar y relajarnos,
and hope for the future next generations to come.
a la vez que traernos esperanza para el futuro y las nuevas generaciones. As you all know, Javea has already a community garden. We're called the Huerta. We're working in this wonderful plot thanks to Hans and Oscar for giving us the space and now also letting us continue growing with the mini forest that we're gonna plant with your help.
In Spanish.
Hola, hola, como sabéis, en Javea tenemos una huerta comunitaria, hay un pequeño grupo que estamos aquí, nos hacemos llamar de Huerta y trabajamos en esta parcela gracias a Hans y a Oscar por cedérnosla, por permitirnos estar aquí y por ahora dejarnos un trocito donde podemos plantar un mini bosque. Gracias por apoyarnos.
Let's talk design. We've already contacted some experts, agroforestry experts, Richie and Lorena from Mano Verde and Vivens Ortiz, to help us design the forest. They already have a similar project, a Centropic project, further south in a similar climate Mediterranean region. They are the ones that are going to be guiding us throughout the process so that we are confident that we're taking the right steps and nothing goes to waste.
And this is where you come in. We need your help. We've got the design, we've got the plot, we've got the list of plants, seed and equipment we need. We've got enthusiasm. All we need now is some funding to help us turn this plot into a beautiful forest. Any donation, big or small, hugely appreciated. So please give whatever you can and we'll keep you updated on our progress. We're all nature lovers, we love Javea and we really want to give this gift to the community.
Ciao!
Ciao, adios!